cell signaling, receptors, and signal transduction pathways. Especially in multicellular organisms, cells frequently need to send and receive signals to and from other cells to properly coordinate their activities. Cell signaling takes place when cells differentiate and form integrated patterns during development. It also routinely takes place during regulation of cell division among specialized cells. Cell signaling includes a variety of short and long-range signals that bind to proteins known as receptors. Signal transduction pathways are reminiscent of the blind watchmaker. Signal transduction pathways provide a compelling example of the organizing power of EEP when combined with natural selection. Chapter 2 discussed the potential for emergence of higher levels of organization to arise when smaller entities are brought together and interact. When fortuitous interactions lead to cellular events that are useful in the struggle for existence, they will tend to be preserved by natural selection. If natural selection acts as a metaphorical blind watchmaker, then selected interactions would be expected to be rather arbitrary and indirect. In contrast to any sort of conscious, goal-directed intelligent design, we would expect to see cellular structures and functions that appear more like Rube Goldberg devices than efficient machines. Although evolution sometimes acts to increase efficiency, multicellular organisms are not subject to the same sorts of selective pressures of microorganisms that are constantly competing for rapid cell division. Cell division in multicellular organisms must be controlled. Extensive research has shown that most signal transduction pathways involve incredibly circuitous and complex cascades of cellular events involving large numbers of moving parts. This is consistent with a metaphorical blind watchmaker and inconsistent with intelligent design.